Waka. The Waka will have photos of our family in it. This is my family Waka, and I chose to colour them with my mum and my dad and my favourite colours.
Inside here, we're going to put photos of our family.
I wanted to choose these colours because they're my favourite colour and my family's and my mum and my dad. So I wanted to make my Waka beautiful so my whole entire family can be happy about it. We chose special shapes for our Waka.
Yep, and now we live.
I chose these two because I liked how pretty they were, and I liked this one because I liked nature and it's accelerating the ocean. Our family Wakas look really good.
And you might be right. This is my finished cutout Waka.
This is my finished Waka, so I can fit my whole entire family in with me when my brother was leaving the farm. He shows them to our friends.
My dad's parents.
We all have special families.
Grandma and dad and mum.
This is me. This is my brother that's going to France. We love our families very much. Our family Waka goes on our wall. So our family is always with us. A tiny fire protects our Waka. We love our family Waka.